landing on this direction?
Landing over here. Hey, clear it out.
So you're landing like this direction?
Right here. Like that. Right here. I land right here.
You think you're gonna make it without going through those trees?
Well, we may hit him, but
Alright, let's go around. The ball in the center. Okay, give it too much right rotor there. Going straight. Laps.
yeah, man, it's it's hard to like say you want to land right here and then
That's why we practice this.
yeah, man.
Because in real life, you need to come up with a good answer.
I know.
So if you come right, so you can show the field.
All right.
Yeah, that I would have used the other field.
Yeah.
After the field was off. Yeah, I just did not like to be so close to the power lines.
I know.
I would have gone someplace else. But you see the brown? So keep coming right, so you're gonna be on your side.
Yeah.
Keep coming right turn. The ball in the center?
It is.
Okay, it's hard to see from here. Alright, keep coming right. And now that you are not under the pressure, do you see other fields that might be more beneficial than that one? Because we would have went into the tree on that one.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go home whenever you're ready.
Do it.
Take us home.
Take us home, Alabama.
I think that's a good time to change a fuel tank whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
The pump on.
Yes.